Welcome to Angel K TV.
Hi, family! Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Angel, and this is Angel K TV. Today, we have Order of Operation. And this is a bit different, okay? I know we've been kind of doing maths in general, like we did exponents, or basically we've been doing a lot of order of operation, if you want to say, because exponent is a part of order of operation. But basically, a twist: no parentheses, no exponents. So this is how it's gonna look like without parentheses and without exponents. That's or this is how it's going to look like. And I know right off the bat you might be kind of confused, like what is going on, because again, I feel like parentheses kind of give us like an instruction. Of course it does, because parentheses are first. And whenever we see parentheses, we're like, oh yeah, we're going to have to do this one first, then exponents. But now we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents. And as you can see, it obviously looks a bit different. But that's enough, okay? Let's just get into this video, and I'm basically going to show you guys how I was able to solve it. All right, let me just come over here. So one thing I need you to remember is that it is the same method, okay? The same way you work with order of operation, the same thing, but no parentheses and no exponents. So, of course, that in the way, you're obviously going to use 2 and 2 together, or put 2 and 2 together, and you're going to be like, yeah, so only multiplication, division, only addition and subtractions and subtraction are the ones you're going to see in this topic or in this equation. So without further ado, let's just talk about number 1. Number 1 says 20 minus 4 times 4 plus 15 minus 6. Now, taking a look at between multiplication, division, which comes first, then addition, subtraction. So which one comes first? I just said that, right? Multiplication and division comes first. So we're going to take these two first. So 4 times 4, that will give us 16. Now we're going to bring down the ones we haven't used. So 20, 16 plus 15 minus 6. So next we have, I basically just said it, 20 minus 16 plus 15 minus 6. So we have a subtraction, we have an addition, and we have a subtraction on the same level. And when we have multiplication, division on the same level, we work from left to right. Okay, but we have addition and subtraction on the same level, so we're going to work from left to right. So which one comes first? As you can see, 20 minus 16, that's going to come first. So that is our that's the one we're gonna have to solve first. So which will give us 4. We bring down the ones we haven't used, because remember we just took these two. So next we're going to add plus 15 minus 6. Now next, as you can see, we have 4 plus 15 minus 16. Again, we have an addition and we have a subtraction. Since we have the both of them, we work from left to right, from left to right, the first one. So 4 plus 15, that will give us 19. Now we bring down our 6. So now we have 19 minus 6, which will give us 13, and that is our final answer, because we don't have any other ones to solve. I hope you guys understood that. Hope that was clear. All right, now let's move on to number 2, which says 7 times 2 plus 9 divided by 3 minus 10 minus 7. Now, again, we don't have any exponents, we don't have any parentheses, so these two you don't have to worry about. So we only have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. With that being said, which comes first? We have a multiplication, right? So 7 times 2. And since, of course, multiplication and division are on the same level, there is a division. But we have multiplication first, right? It comes first. So we don't have to take division, we'll take multiplication. So 7 times 2, that will give us 14. Now we'll bring down the ones we didn't add. So plus 9 divided by 3 minus 10 minus 7. So which comes next? We have 9 divided by 3, which will give us 3. We'll bring down the ones we didn't use. 14 plus 3 minus 10 minus 7. So which one now? We have an addition, a subtraction, a subtraction. We have addition first on our left, so we'll do this one. 14 plus 3, that will give us 17. Bring down the ones we didn't use. Now we have 17 minus 10. That will give us 7. Now 7 minus 7 will give us 0. And that is our answer. That is basically it for order of operations without parentheses and exponents. Now again, like I said in the beginning, this topic is very easy. Okay, it's the same thing as doing the normal order of operation rule, but the twist is that there's no parentheses and there's no exponents. And it also is low-key kind of easier because I know when we have exponents, when we have parentheses, it might look a bit difficult, but I know a lot of you guys are probably like, oh, but this looks confusing on its own. It just looks like random numbers. But it's very easy because when we're talking about exponents and parentheses, but you're only talking about multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So that is the only thing you need to look out for. Okay? So yeah, it's just pretty easy, right? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a like, subscribe, and if you guys want more on this topic, maybe the one I did in particular, so no exponents, no parentheses, please let me know. I'll make sure to do other ones. And I hope you guys will stay safe. Many kisses and virtual hugs. Stay safe, family.